Good day, people. So today we are going to look at a literal translation of the song Hey 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 by Mambo Duterere. I used to be a slave just like Joseph. Jehovah has made me a king. I am protected by his anointing. My Lord, you are loved. My relatives didn't want me to be wealthy. They sold me to Egypt. But with God's mercy and favor, I have been made a king. My own brothers didn't want me to live. They sold me to Pharaoh. They threw me into a pit so I can be eaten by scavenging animals. But Emmanuel, who is Jesus, didn't allow all these evil plans to succeed. Some even tried to harm me through witchcraft, but they couldn't succeed. We had lost all hope about life, and yet God sent Moses to set us free. We were victorious from slavery. Jesus has strengthened me. He bought me with his blood. He sent angels to give me light in the midst of darkness. The same spirit that was given to the disciples and also led Paul was given to me. Some people put faith in witchcraft, but as for me, I walk with angels. When they try to cast their spells towards me, the angels are there for my protection. God will not allow suffering to be my portion. This year I will receive my inheritance. I can't be born in poverty and grow in poverty. Those who hate me, wishing I can suffer the plagues that Job suffered, Jesus will not allow that, as this year is mine to receive my portion of my inheritance. In summary, this song is encouraging everyone who is facing challenges to stay in the hope that God is there to protect them, as well as to encourage them, as well as to change their fortunes for the better. This is a beautiful track from Mambo Duterere. Enjoy and peace.